Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important update for lab technicians and lab technologists, whoever has the qualification like BSM, BSc, MLT or DMLT. Such lab technicians and lab technologists can work in Dubai. For that you will have to give a DHS exam and complete the DHS process. So in today's video we will talk about what are the procedures, where the exam is held and how many questions are asked. This will be the complete detail, so watch the video till the end. You skip it then you will not understand anything etc. If you get information then there is no point. Watch the entire video till the end. So first of all let's talk about the DHA exam. So as soon as your DMLT is completed, BSc MLT is completed. After that whatever internship you do, you get the license to practice. After that you can directly give the DHS exam and complete the process and work in Dubai. No experience is required for that like pharmacy. And for any other physician, 2 years of experience is a must. For lab technician and lab technologist, 2 years experience is not necessary. It is not a must. You directly get your license to practice in India. After that you can apply, so you schedule the DHS exam from the DHA website, which we also call matric exam, which is a center, the complete detailed schedule of the matriculation exam, the exam paper and their center, it is called matric exam. So they and their matriculation people have a tie-up. So you have to book the date through the DHA website and go and give the exam. In the DHS exam, you will get a total of questions and you will get a total of 3 hours, and out of that you have to pass 50% and get passing marks. For lab technology as well as for lab technician. After that you can get the data flow done. After getting the data flow done, you should get your degree certificate attested from the embassy and the final process will be of the eligibility letter. After that you can get a visa and come to Dubai for the exam. And let me tell you one more thing, a standing certificate is a must for data flow. And your internship, health license to practice. Whatever you use in the lab, that is also a must. So this is all, and passport is basic. You must have a passport. If you don't have one, then first get a passport made. After that go for the second process. So what is data flow after the exam? Data flow is actually a third party. This is also a tie-up of DHS. So what people do is that whatever your qualification is, whatever your license is, a standing certificate to practice. People cross-verify it whether all are original or not. Then they submit your report to DHS that yes, all the reports are original. After that your data gets approved and after that eligibility letter that eligible practice, lab technology and you have to get an lab technician in Dubai. So after you get that you can come. Now let's come to the salary. So if you are a lab technician then you should keep your salary expectation up to 4th, and if you are a lab technologist then you should keep your minimum salary and your expectation should be minimum. And those who have done DMLT. Whose course is DMLT? Diploma. They work as lab technicians in Dubai, and whoever has done BSc MLT works as lab technology in Dubai. So this is all the details, and I will also tell you a little about the syllabus, that what questions will be asked from the syllabus. I have written some of the syllabus related to which you will have questions. In the exam, the first is blood bank. There will be questions related to blood bank. Second is East End techniques and microbiology, and one lab operation end. After that is logic and one is urinal analysis. And the last is clinical chemistry. So all these You will have questions from these in the exam. And if you need a book for preparation, then I will tell you the name of a book which has been referred by DHA. This book. Its name is Book. And it has 3 editions. And its full name is Fundamentals of Urine and Body Fluid Analysis. You can take this book, 4th edition, for preparation, and as soon as your DHA exam is over, the entire data flow happens. You come here with a visa and start searching for a job. You can also search online, and you can submit your resume by going to a physical hotel or hospital, so this is the whole process. So if you like my video or if you have any doubt, then mention it in the comment. I will tell you its solution in the comment. And share my video as much as possible, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe and also like the video.